Good people, we are not going to back down. We are not going to surrender. We are not going to retreat. Kulendo elokunjano. Yoguti abafwethu laba abaqhamuka emazweni lawa angaphandle abahambe. We understand lendo African unity. It's fine. It's good. There's no problem about that. Our main problem is if we really wanna do lendo unity. Why best days drugs? Bona, if they want to thrive in life, they have to sell drugs to our children, to us. They have to make us sibe ama-stupid. Sibe ama-zombie hlale edradini just because bona bafuna ukwenza imali. Is that what they call their skill? Especially most Africans are lazy. They don't want to go to work. They don't have skills. They don't do anything. That one alone ingenza ngibe crazy. I'm very crazy about it, and I don't think things will heal kuyona. You know, I don't have a problem with the brothers from outside of South Africa. But this thing of selling drugs, of making our children to become prostitutes, of human trafficking, that one, unless it's related, guys, we must be clear about that. I'm a clever black say we are abusing abantu bokufika and stuff. That is nonsense. You black people, you clever blacks, you are talking nonsense. What we are talking is rubbish. Just because nanihlala kuma complex, nihlala endaweni zasesilungwini, whereby ingane yakho idla kwaWoolworths, ingane yakho idla eMcDonald's, ingane yakho idla ey'toro lezi koBhatshelo man. Think about us, people abangenali class, people who are living in rural, people who are living in locations. Think about us. What is happening with our children? What is happening with us? The fake goods that we eat. Those things, it is on a bantu. Iket, it is on ingane zethu. Inyawupe, heroin whatsoever it is on ingane zethu. Ezakhe ingane zifunde multiracial school. So zona azithola uku-affecteka kalula just because labantu laba mostly lezinto bayidayisela abantu aba-vulnerable njengathi. Now when you are coming and saying that thina abuse abantu bokufika, you are talking nonsense. You are talking rubbish. We want to clean our country. We want to make sure that our country is safe again. On that one, nigga, I relax.